So today is Pink Shirt Day, but it's also
your birthday.
It's a birthday. So we are going to do a birthday haul, but it's not a typical birthday haul. There is no Louis Vuitton bags. There's no Hummer in my driveway. The haul that we're going to do is what we're going to donate to some of the organizations that we support. And I'm not going to show everything, but I'm just going to give some people some ideas of thinking outside the box to donate stuff. And most of the stuff that I donate, I don't pay full price for. I love using flash foods. I use coupons for everything. So everything I get for a really good deal. And I also kind of save up for like a month or two. Like I maybe limit myself to maybe $5 or $10 a week. And so I save up the stuff and then kind of go in with a couple of boxes of stuff. But the first thing that we're going to show you is we support the Rainbow Connection, which is an organization in our community for 2S LGBTQIA plus youth. Some of them may not have safe homes. Some of them may be unhoused. And it's a place where they can get together that's very safe and that they can have something to eat, something to drink, and they have a lending library. So this is from Lavender Library Press, and it's a collection of short stories and poems, and there's a place in the back where you can write down some things. And so I'm going to share with you my favorite one that I read in here. I'm going to have to find it. Now, I'm not going to read the whole thing because of obviously copyright and stuff like that. So I'm just going to, and you have to buy this yourself. So I'm not going to read everything to you. But my favorite one is this one right here. It's called My Chosen Family. And I'm going to read just the ending paragraph. There are blossoms, unexpected bursts of color, friends who arrive like spring rain after drought, soft and sudden, watering barren fields inside me, reminding me that hope is always waiting beneath the frost. So this is the book that I'm going to donate to their lending library.
And then the book that I have to donate is called 52 Weeks of Queer Power. So it's just all these little like journal entries that you fill out. And it's like, it's thick. There's a whole bunch of different things to fill out. I picked my favorite one. So they have like a little saying here. It says, you are the proof that queer joy exists. And then the question is, what's a recent moment of queer joy you want to hold on to? And for me, my recent moment of queer joy is I started to go to drag bingo with my friends, and we just went once, but now it's like a reoccurring thing, and it's so much fun. I really enjoy it. Always support your local drag queens, and it was just really fun to experience, and everyone was so nice, and I loved it. So this is the book that I will be donating.
So the other organization that we're going to be supporting is PARN, and that's a local organization that supports people living with HIV and AIDS in the community. And there's still so much stigma around people. So we're going to go support. They have a food pantry, and I love their food pantry. I volunteered in several that kind of box up things and give them. This is set up like a little store, and there's no windows. There's a door for privacy that they sign up to go in, so it's a very safe environment for people to go into. And the shelves are set up like a little store, and they come in and they take stuff. So we're going to be donating some stuff for that today. But I want to challenge you to think outside the box when you're donating things. So all the stuff I've gotten is with coupons and are on sale. And it's things that for people that are more easy access things. And we have no judgment here. I work with disabled and seniors. And sometimes, you know, people, whether it's physical or mental, can't do like basic things like feeding, bathing, stuff like that. So these are easy things for them to do when they're having trouble. So
we have these microwave little like rice meal kits, pasta as well.
Just add water and you nuke them. I got these for 99 cents, so I got a whole bunch of those. And sometimes when people aren't able to, you know, feed themselves, and or I have sometimes some of my clients get depressed and they can't get out of bed. These are easy to put beside their beds for them. These are applesauce, and it's just a screw off top, which is easy for them to open. Don't need to be refrigerated. And the other thing is juice boxes. I try to find 100% juice boxes. These I got a whole bunch of these. I got these for $1.77. There's quite a few in them. Again, they're easy things for them to put beside their bed. They don't have to be refrigerated. Easy just to go into the garbage afterwards. One of the other things I got, super sale, I love this one, 45 cents. I got these. And sometimes, no judgment from us, is sometimes when people do shower or bathe themselves, they don't necessarily use like the standard body washes. I have some that use hand soap, dish soap, zero judgment. You gotta use what you gotta use. And this is, I think, the most expensive thing I've donated so far, but I got it on sale, is box of baby wipes. They're $19 and I had a $4 off coupon. Now, these aren't just to use for kids. I have, again, some people that I work with who sometimes can't get out of bed. And so that means that they can't shower or bath themselves. And so they can use these for when they just want to have a quick refresh and have like a sponge bath kind of thing. And so we're going to be donating a couple of these boxes. So that's some of the haul that we're going to be bringing in. And so we're going to bring that in. And so I challenge you to kind of think outside the box about maybe what the stuff that you're donating, and kind of look for deals, because like all the stuff I've gotten for really good deals.
A great way to spend your birthday, gifting to others.
Yep. Bye.